Hello kids, welcome to the craft session. After 2-3 weeks, we are again meet here. This is the things we need for this craft session. One any color of paper, A4 size paper, one white paper, pencil, two crayons, orange and green, scissor and fevistick. So maybe you understand. I took green and orange color, so this week's topic is flag. We will make our national flag. 15th August will come in this week, so you can use the flag and celebrate Independence Day with full josh and patriotism. So let's start to make flag. First, we will take this white paper and then we need just this much paper, so we will fold it accordingly. We will fold it like this. See, I folded it like this and then I will cut it. You can do with me, so you will understand and do also. You can use your own brain also, but you can make it because I make very simple craft, so you can understand it and do it by your own. So now here I will take a mark of similar 3 lines. You can use scale for that. I will make line with my own because I have that much measurement, so I can do it. 2 equal lines, so it will be 3. I will make here. See what I am doing. Equal 3 lines I made. For that I make 2 lines. It will separate by the both. And now I will color here green and here orange. Upper side orange I will color. See how I am coloring. I will take a straight line here and here a straight line of green. You use your free hand coloring, so don't take help of anyone, just do it your own. Simply you will color it. I always give you simple things because you are very small, so you can do it by your own. I want to see that you are doing without help of your elders or parents. This you can do. You can do by your own very nicely. Blend it nicely. Feel the shade that. See that not a single white layer left. Now green color here, green color downside I will use green color. Same way I am blending it nicely, so no white shade will remain left. See how I am blending the color. It looks so nice, like you all, you kids. Nice and gentle blending. Okay, now I will fold it like this. See, I fold it in 2 parts. Then in the both parts we have to make one circle. For that I am using this small box here. Where is my pencil? It is here. See, I am making one circle to the help of this Fevi-stick. You can follow. I always use things which are nearby. Accessible things I like to use. So you also think innovatively when you use things. You think innovatively. See, extra points you rub, and then if you think it is left, so color the things accordingly. See, few green color need to put here, so I again put it same way here. No, it is fine, very nice. Now I'll make chakra. This is called Ashok chakra. How many spokes you know? How many spokes it has? There is 24 spokes in our national flag's Ashok chakra. So I made 24, exactly 24 chakra. Now what we have to do? Now we will fold the paper, color paper, for make it a stick of national flag. See how I'm folding? Very simple way. Very simply I am folding it. I will make it big so I can hold it in the eve of 15th August. I want to hold it, so I made it long, and then I will paste it here. See, we have to paste it first. Then I will paste it here like this. See, it looks so amazing. I'm using Fevi-stick only because it is not harmful for you and it is easy to do. Before that you have to paste this portion also. Borders, all the borders. You have to paste it like this. Okay, nicely paste it here. थोड़ा सा नीचे करके little bit down so it looks very nice and wonderful. See both sides. Now if you want to make it a stand, you have to cut one thermocol object, and you have to put it like this on the way. But I will make it for paste in the book, our notebook. So I will paste it like this, straight. See how will I paste it? Simple and nicely I will paste it here. So our craft work also finished, our chapter also finished, and here with the help of pencil or color you can make the different stick, and then chairs and color it. That's up to you how will it use the colors and blend. See, I will make it like this. I will color it also and I will show you. I'll send you picture of this. Okay, make it. You can use it as a celebration of Independence Day. Nice.